I'm totally against the batteration and the brutalization of women and children. Because God did not create us to be an adversary to each other. We were created to love each other.
As youths and citizens of Jamaica, we are scared for our lives due to the violence imposed against women and our children. We don't wish to grow up in a society where we have to be afraid to go out on the roads because of us men. It may not be your family now, but in the future, if this continues, it might be your family. It could be a sister, your cousin, your mother, or any family member or close friend.
We've noticed that some of the women are getting very violent now and are really inflicting wounds and demonstrating their strength on men. We want women too to understand that this is not the way to go.
The man them need to stop killing woman them because them have family too. And most of them family hide it. Them hide it and them know say them a do it and them still hide them against the wall. So them if them know say them have a son or a brother or anybody who do crime, they need to stop.